Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Let's analyze this stock Federal Bank. If you will watch this closely, then you will find that Federal Bank is actually taking support of this trend line. It was taking support of this trend line, and uh, last day I have drawn this sort of a trend line for this stock. Okay, and I was super bearish in this stock. I traded this stock today, okay, below 84.10, and I booked around 81.9. Okay, 81.9 around I booked here around 10:15, 10:30. I booked around 81.9 rupees limit order price. Okay, and the stock after that reversed. Okay, what can happen tomorrow in this stock? If the stock tomorrow takes resistance around this region, okay, then this resistance will act as a strong sort of a resistance, and the stock will actually try to come down. Okay, and then if it reverses and gives a breakout above this trend line, then only we will consider buying this stock. Okay, if the stock firstly gives a breakout above this, then we will consider buying, or if the stock reverses and then gives a breakout of this trend line, black trend line, then only we will consider buying this stock. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, then you should actually start drawing this sort of a trend line for your stock. Okay, and analyze this stock accordingly and trade on breakout of this sort of a trend line. Okay, I hope you will like trading with this sort of an idea. Okay, first what you have to do, you just have to draw this sort of a trend line. Okay, and if the stock gives a breakout above this trend line in 15-minute time frame, then only consider buying the stocks. Okay, until or unless, don't go for a good sort of a buying. You should not trade on intraday basis until or unless you know how to draw trend lines. Okay, thank you for watching.